Someone says, "Tell me about yourself," and you freeze. You do not know what to say. That happens to so many people. Today, we fix that. We will teach you how to introduce yourself in English. Let us go. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Welcome back, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
I'm Lily, and I am very excited about today's topic.
And I am Max. Lily, how are you today?
I am really good, thank you. I had a great morning. I made a big cup of coffee.
A big cup of coffee. That sounds perfect.
It was perfect. What about you, Max? How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I went for a short walk this morning. It was very nice.
Oh, a short walk. That sounds wonderful. Very healthy.
I try.
So today we are talking about how to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, and this is so important for beginners.
It really is. When you meet someone new, the first thing you do is introduce yourself.
You say your name, you say where you are from, you say what you do.
Simple things, but so many people do not know how to say them in English.
That is why we are here. We will teach you today.
And before we start, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
Yes, and if this video helps you, give us a thumbs up. It really helps people find us.
We want to help as many people as possible, so share this with a friend who is learning English.
Okay, let us begin.
So, Max, let us start with the most basic introduction. What is the first thing you say?
The first thing you say is your name. You say, "My name is Max."
My name is Max. That is so simple and so important.
Yes, my name is, that is the phrase, my name is.
You can also say, I am Max. That is another way.
Exactly. I am is another phrase. Both are correct. Both are easy.
So we have two phrases already. My name is and I am.
Great. Now let's add more. Where are you from, Lily?
Oh, I am from Brazil.
You are from Brazil. And how do you say that in a full sentence?
I say, I am from Brazil. I am from Brazil.
Perfect. I am from, that is the phrase. I am from.
I am from Brazil. You can put any country after I am from.
I am from Japan. I am from Egypt. I am from Canada.
Any country. It works for everyone.
This is great. Let us keep going. What do you do, Lily?
What do? I am a teacher.
You are a teacher. And the phrase is, I am a teacher.
I am a, then your job. I am a teacher, I am a doctor, I am a student.
I am a student is very useful. Many people watching are students.
Yes, so if you are a student, you can say, I am a student.
Simple and clear.
Now let's talk about age. How old are you, Max?
You want to know my age?
For the lesson.
Okay. I am 30 years old.
I am 30 years old. The phrase is I am and then the number and years old.
I am 20 years old. I am 45 years old.
Very easy. You just say the number.
Now we also want to say where we live, not just where we are from, but where we live now.
Oh, that's different. Good point, Max.
Yes, I am from is your home country. I live in is where you are now.
So you can say, I am from Brazil, but I live in Canada.
Exactly. I live in, that is a new phrase. I live in.
I live in London. I live in Tokyo. I live in New York.
Any city, any country, it works.
Okay, so we are learning a lot of phrases here.
We are. Let us also talk about hobbies. What do you like to do?
Oh, I love this. Hobbies are fun to talk about.
The phrase is, I like to. I like to read. I like to cook. I like to walk.
Or you can say, I love to. I love to dance. I love to sing.
I like to and I love to, very similar. I like to means it's good. I love to means it's wonderful.
Great way to explain it.
So in a full introduction, you put it all together. Name, country, job, age, hobby.
Exactly. One sentence at a time, step by step.
We just covered the basic building blocks of any introduction. But wait, there is more. Coming up, we go deeper. You will learn how to make your introduction sound natural and friendly. Stay with us.
Okay, let us recap what we have so far. We have my name is, I am from, I live in, I am a for your job, I am for your age, I like to, I love to. Those are your first introduction phrases.
8 phrases. Very useful, very important.
Write them down if you can. Practice them out loud.
Okay, now let us talk about how to make your introduction feel more natural.
Yes, because sometimes beginners say all the information, but it sounds like a list.
Like a list, that's a good way to say it.
My name is Lily, I am from Brazil, I am a teacher, I am 30, I like to cook.
It's correct, but it sounds very stiff.
Stiff means not natural, not relaxed.
Right, so how do we make it sound better?
We add small connecting words, words like and, also, actually.
Great. And connects 2 things. Also adds more information.
So you can say, my name is Lily and I am from Brazil.
My name is Lily and I am from Brazil. That already sounds better.
Yes, just one small word, and it sounds more natural.
Let's try also. I am a teacher. I also like to cook.
I am a teacher, I also like to cook. I like that.
Also adds extra information. It keeps the conversation going.
And actually, that's a fun word. It adds a small surprise.
Like, I'm from Brazil, but I actually live in Spain now.
Oh, I like that. It makes the person want to ask more questions.
Exactly. A good introduction makes people curious.
Curious means they want to know more.
Right. You want to say enough, but not everything.
Not everything, just a few interesting things.
Now let us talk about asking questions back. This is very important.
Oh yes, when you introduce yourself, you should also ask the other person.
It's polite and it's natural.
The easiest question is, what about you? Or, and you?
What about you? So simple, but so powerful.
After you say your name, you can say, my name is Lily, what about you?
And then the other person introduces themselves.
It becomes a conversation, not just a speech.
I love that difference. A speech is one person talking. A conversation is 2 people talking.
And introductions should be conversations.
Now, Lily, I want to talk about something. Do you like to talk about your job when you meet someone new?
Actually, I don't always start with my job.
Oh, really? I usually start with my job.
See, we're different.
We are different. That's okay.
I usually start with where I am from because people always ask, oh, where is that?
That is true. Your hometown can start a great conversation.
But Max likes to start with his job, and that's fine too.
There is no wrong answer. You choose what feels comfortable for you.
Yes, you are in control of your introduction.
That's a great point. You decide what to share.
Now, let us also talk about small words that show feeling, like, I'm really happy to meet you.
Oh, yes. Really makes things stronger. Really happy. Really excited.
Really pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you is also a classic phrase. Very common. Very polite.
Nice to meet you. Everyone should know this phrase.
And pleased to meet you is a little more formal.
Formal means more serious, like in a work meeting.
Right. Nice to meet you is for everyday situations. Pleased to meet you is for more formal ones.
Great difference, Max.
Thank you, Lily.
So we're building a really full introduction now.
Name, country, city, job, hobby, age, connecting words, questions, polite phrases.
It sounds like a lot, but in practice, you only use a few at a time.
Yes, you don't say everything in one introduction.
Keep it short, keep it friendly, keep it natural.
You are doing so well, but here's the thing. Knowing the words is just step 1. Step 2 is knowing how to use them. We have 3 powerful tips coming next. Don't go anywhere. Okay, let me recap what the new things from this part are. We have connecting words and, also, actually. We have asking back, what about you? We have nice to meet you and pleased to meet you. And we have really to make feelings stronger. Those are your new tools.
Great list. I love this list.
Now we're getting to the best part. These tips will help you use everything we just learned. Real situations, real English. Let's go.
Okay, tip number 1. Practice your introduction out loud every day.
Out loud, not in your head, out loud.
Because when you speak, it's different from thinking.
Your mouth needs to practice. Your voice needs to practice.
So stand in front of a mirror, say your introduction every day.
Every day is the key. Even 1 minute is enough.
1 minute a day. That's tip number 1.
Tip number 2, start with just 3 sentences.
3 sentences. Simple, clear, friendly.
Do not try to say everything. 3 sentences is perfect for a first meeting.
I love this tip. It takes away the pressure.
No pressure, just 3 sentences.
Tip number 3. Learn 1 new word every week.
1 word a week?
Just 1, but use it every day that week.
So this week, maybe the word is also. I also like to run. I also study English. I also drink coffee.
Yes, use it in every sentence you can.
Put it everywhere.
When you use a word many times, you remember it.
That is how real learning works. Repetition, practice, use it.
And tip number 4, do not be afraid to smile.
Smile?
Yes, when you introduce yourself, smile. It makes everything easier.
That is true. A smile is the same in every language.
Even if your English is not perfect, a smile helps.
People do not care if you make small mistakes. They care if you are friendly.
Friendly is more important than perfect.
Always, every time.
So, practice out loud, start with 3 sentences, learn 1 new word a week, and smile.
4 tips, all very doable.
You can do this. We believe in you.
Okay, before we say goodbye, we have a challenge for you.
A comment challenge. I love this part.
Go to the comments right now and write your introduction.
You can use this starter. My name is blank, I am from blank, and I like to blank.
3 sentences. That's it. Just 3 sentences.
We will read every single comment, every one.
It is good practice and it's safe. This is a friendly community.
No judgment here, only encouragement.
We love having you here with us.
And if this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps people find us.
Share this with a friend who is learning English. We want to help as many people as possible.
And please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
Your support means so much to us. Really, it does.
Every like, every comment, every share, it helps another learner find us.
And that is what we are here for.
What a great lesson today.
It really was. We talked about so many things.
Names, countries, jobs, hobbies, connecting words, polite phrases.
And 4 very useful tips.
If you practice even a little bit today, you will feel the difference.
Small steps every day. That is how you learn English.
Do not try to be perfect, just try.
Trying is enough. You are doing great.
Thank you so much for watching today.
It was wonderful to spend this time with you.
Lily, this was so fun.
It always is. See you next time, Lily.
See you next time, Max. And everyone, keep practicing, keep smiling.
We will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.